Okay, boys and girls, we are going to look at our 2D shapes anchor chart. Remember, if a shape is 2D, that means it is flat. So on Monday, we talked about a circle, and we know a circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Remember, another word for vertice is a corner. And then you guys told me some shapes or some circles you found at your house were a clock, a ball, and some of you thought of the sun. So yesterday we learned all about a triangle, and we know a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices. That's where our corners are. 1, 2, 3. And then I loved some of the triangle responses for what you guys found. I drew a piece of pizza, a tree, and a roof. Nice job, boys and girls. So today we learned all about a square. And let's remember, a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, I made an extra note on our anchor chart because it's important to remember that for a square, all sides are the same size or the same length. And then if it has 4 sides, we also learned that it has 4 vertices. So those are our corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm sure you can already tell just by looking at what's empty over here. Your job today is to find 3 squares in your house. Either take a picture or draw it and label it and send it my way so that I can add some squares to our anchor chart. Good job, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye.